All right, let's be real. How many times have you looked at an app or tool and thought, I could totally build this myself? Or better yet, why am I paying for this subscription when I only use half the features? If you've ever had those thoughts, you're in for a treat. Because today we're diving into something that's shaking up the entire software world: vibe coding. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another tech buzzword, hold on. This is actually something huge. Imagine being able to build an app, a website, or even an AI-powered business without needing to code. No spending months learning Python or JavaScript. No hiring expensive developers. Just you, your idea, and an AI-powered assistant that does all the heavy lifting. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now. Vibe coding is the idea that anyone, yes, anyone, can build software simply by describing what they want in plain English. It's like having a super smart AI that listens to you, understands what you need, and writes the code for you. Think of it as ChatGPT, but instead of just generating text, it's generating fully functional applications. This means that if you've ever had $1 million app idea but didn't know where to start, now you do. People are already taking advantage of this, and the results are insane. Let's talk about some real-world examples. Vivek rebuilt Notion. Yes, the wildly popular productivity tool, in just 8 days using an AI-powered coding assistant called Cursor. The original Notion? That took a whole team 5 years to develop. Just let that sink in. And it's not just one person doing this. Take Peter Levels, a solo developer who built a flight simulator and is now making over $67,000 per month from it. One day, his game had 22,000 players. That's an entire stadium full of people playing something he built. And it's not just games. People are building all sorts of AI-powered apps, from writing tools to automation software, and launching them in days, not years. The crazy part? This isn't even at its peak yet. AI is getting smarter every single day, and soon, even the most complex software could be built without ever touching a single line of code. So, this brings up a big question. If AI tools can help anyone build their own software, do we even need SaaS companies anymore? SaaS, or software as a service, has been the go-to business model for the past decade. Companies like Dropbox, Canva, and Zoom have built billion-dollar empires by offering software on a subscription basis. But what happens when anyone can just build their own version of these tools in a weekend? Let's look at the numbers. According to Stripe's latest report, the top 100 AI startups reached $5 million in revenue in just 24 months. Traditional SaaS companies? They took 37 months to hit that same number. That's a whole extra year of grinding. AI-built apps are scaling faster, launching quicker, and making money sooner. Cursor, one of the biggest AI-powered coding tools, is already doing $100 million in annual revenue, and they're in talks for a $10 billion valuation. Meanwhile, another AI-first platform, Lovable, hit $17 million in just 3 months. That's not just fast, that's lightning speed compared to traditional software companies. Some people are already calling it SaaS is dead. But is it really? Well, there are two sides to this. On one hand, if you can build your own tool for free instead of paying for a SaaS subscription every month, why wouldn't you? AI influencer Matthew Berman summed it up perfectly. It's not that everyone can build and sell their own SaaS now. It's that I can build my own software and just use it myself. And he's got a point. Why should you pay for a project management tool when you can tell an AI to build one that's customized exactly to your needs? Why subscribe to an expensive automation platform when you can have your own version running in the background for free? But here's the thing. Not everyone wants to build their own software. Even with AI making it easier, there's still a learning curve. And let's not forget the fact that software needs maintenance, security updates, and scalability. Companies that already handle all of that might still have an edge. That's why some experts believe SaaS isn't dying, it's just evolving. The winners in this space will be the companies that integrate AI deeply into their products, making them smarter, more automated, and easier to use than ever before. So where does this leave you? Should you jump into vibe coding and start building your own software empire? Absolutely. This is one of those rare moments where the playing field is being leveled. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need thousands of dollars to hire developers. You just need an idea and the right AI-powered tools to bring it to life. If you're wondering how to start, here's what you do. First, pick the right tool. There are tons of AI coding assistants out there, but here are a few solid options. Cursor, great for AI-assisted coding. Replit Agent lets you build, test, and launch software all in one place. Windsurf, powerful AI coding with built-in agent automation. Second, start small. You don't need to build the next Facebook overnight. Try something simple, maybe a chatbot for your business, a tool to organize your tasks, or even a basic automation script. Third, iterate fast. The beauty of AI coding tools is that they work in real time. If something isn't working, tweak it. Change a few prompts. Let the AI keep building and refining. This is like coding, but with infinite undo buttons. And finally, share what you create. There's an entire community of AI builders out there experimenting with vibe coding. And the more you connect with them, the faster you'll learn. This isn't some far-off future. It's happening right now. People are launching AI-powered products every single day, making money and disrupting industries, all without writing code. The only question left is, are you in? Drop a comment below. What's the first app you'd build if you could do it without coding? And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. See you in the next one.